References. References has endnote, footnote. What is endnote? Endnote is a note that comes at the end of a document. Footnote means it is a note that is used to explain something at the end of the page. So if you want to explain something on this page, it will come at the end of this page. It is called footnote that comes at the foot of a page. Endnote on the other hand comes at the end of the document. See the difference? Endnote is at the end of the document, whereas footnote is at the end of a page. Show notes. You can see notes. Insert citation. Citation is used in colleges. When you write essays, your professors want you to cite your sources. This is when insert citation is used. Bibliography. Bibliography is also used while sourcing your references.